Sitting in the bar, tipping a jar of Jackson, out on the street where the summer sun's so hot. Had me quite a few of them barroom queens here in Jackson, but I just can't seem to drink that girl off of my mind. It's a you give me the honky-tonk blues. I played me a D-ball stage in New York City. I'd put up with some kind of a fight. The lady then, she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. Well, it's a talk woman. You give me the honky-tonk blues. I met a gin soap barroom queen in Santa Monica. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. The lady then, she covered me with roses. Oh, she blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a dog woman. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Thank you. It's a dog woman. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Thank you, baby. In fact, I'm going to do another one right now.